Hi there, how are you doing? I hope all are well. And Saturday today, I just thought of speaking to you and let me share a small story with all of you today. Right? It will be the story of a fashion designer, and I'll name her Deepika. Right? And this girl, who was a very budding designer during her school days, during her college days, was doing phenomenally well, and then like every other student आगे क्या करूँ पता नहीं है so she just thought she was speaking to a lot of friends and she started wanting to start on her own but then maybe पैसा नहीं है and I have no experience I don't know what to do so she spoke to her faculty members at the end of the curriculum जब उनका last year था and they all suggested you go to a good designer and take some experience first right it will be very helpful to you. All right, no problem. So, and a lot of friends, our family members, everyone decided कि भाई चलो let us go to a good designer, take some experience, let us work some in some company, let us see how they are operating, and then फिर the entire life is there तो देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. Right, and in the meantime, I'll also come to know how the industry operates, X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything. Right, so she just went there and she started a job there. Fantastic. एंड एवरीबडी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी वाओ कितना सीखने मिल रहा है बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो अभी हो रही है एंड मुझे पता ही नहीं था about the product and so many different things that she learned there which she didn't know which she was not aware about and in this process she started to develop a good rapport with her bosses and one fine day what happened was she made a number of outfits and they got very good response from the customers. Her boss did not say that this has been designed by one of my colleagues. She took away all the credit, like always. But at the back of her mind, Deepika knew that भाई ये डिज़ाइन तो मैंने किया है and then and a lot of clients came to her whom she was very close. She said, this is my design and you have liked it. Thank you for that. And they said, why don't you start of your own? क्यों यहाँ कर रही है ये काम अपना शुरू कर we will support you and then that was the day when something got planted in her mind a couple of weeks back after a couple of weeks again there was something she had a show and again 3 4 designs of her they got a good response from the market and this time a lot of family members and her friends they said क्यों काम कर रही है अभी तो now you have learnt everything whatever you had and since you are now established you know how it is you know how it works you know what your designs are doing well why are you working for somebody else why don't you work for yourself it will be really helpful ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा ज़्यादा recognition मिलेगा ज़्यादा fame मिलेगा and yes that's it she decided okay enough is enough now I'm going to start on my own but for various reasons she could not start at that particular time one day Deepika reached her office very late and there was a small dispute between her bosses and Deepika and she was told अगर time पे आना है तो आओ नहीं तो मत आओ that struck her badly here and here and she decided इतने साल काम करने के बाद अगर मुझे इस प्रकार से treat किया जाता है I am not going to work for this girl and she quit immediately bosses were also not bothered okay जाना है तो जाओ कोई problem नहीं है and then like the seed was planted in her head the other day कि you start your own business her friends her family everybody was saying दूसरों के लिए क्यों काम कर रहे हो so she started her own label by the name Deepika and everything was very good very normal very happy she started to design she got a good response initial response was very nice but in the entire process what happened was Deepika got stuck up in all the activities that she used to do अगर ऑफिस पे वहाँ पे प्रीवियसली व्हेन शी वाज विथ हर एम्प्लॉई वो जो भी काम कर रही थी जिसमें वो एक्सपर्ट थी वाज ओनली डिज़ाइनिंग राइट और उनके बॉसेस ने भी जब भी दीपिका से बात की इट वाज ओनली अबाउट डिज़ाइनिंग शी थॉट दैट स्किल सेट वुड बी सफिशिएंट इनफ फॉर मी टू रन माई शो टू रन एवरीथिंग बिकॉज इसके अलावा कुछ है नहीं उन्होंने कुछ और सीखा ही नहीं और उनको उनके बॉसेस ने कभी ट्रेन भी नहीं किया बिकॉज ज़रूरत नहीं थी हर प्रोफाइल वॉज देयर एज अ डिज़ाइनर ओनली Here now, Deepika having fantasies jumped into this big world and now wants to go big way into the market, prove a point that she can be the best, she can do wonderfully well, and she started on her own. Not knowing things about entrepreneurship, it was a very nascent stage, yeah, crawling. Organization was crawling. So डिज़ाइनिंग भी वो करते थे, प्रिंटिंग में जाना है तो शी वुड गो, एम्ब्रॉयडरी में जाना है तो शी वुड गो, मास्टर के साथ खटपट करना है, कटिंग भी कभी कभी वो कर लेती थी अगर मास्टर जी इज़ नॉट देयर. सो मेनी थिंग्स शी स्टार्टेड टू डू ऑन हर ओन, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग. कस्टमर आया, बिलिंग करना है, same thing, alterations, measurements, everything was done by Deepika. Now, because the product was good, because she was making a phenomenally well product, her response from the market was fantastic and she just started to grow, right? And as she started to grow, her problems started to increase. जो उन्होंने सोचा था कि बहुत इजीली बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ मेरे लिए मैं इजीली कर सकती हूँ, मैं बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज़ लाइकिंग माई प्रोडक्ट, एवरीबडी इज़ जस्ट enjoying the services that I am giving, so they will all come to me and they will all love my product. Till then कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, सब सही था, सब अच्छा भी गया and it was all on track. But as she began to grow, she found herself, earlier if she was reaching her office at 9 in the morning till about 5-6 o'clock or maybe 10 to about 7 o'clock, फिर she started to put more effort क्योंकि पहुंच नहीं पा रही थी सब जगह पे. So she reached office at 8 o'clock और 10 बजता था, 8 बजे आना 10 बजता था, 8 बजे आना 10 बजता था. In fact, she started to work more in her organization because she actually found out work for herself in her organization. This is called as self-employed people, guys. Everything they need to do, they have this compulsion. She was not that big to keep anyone, right? Because she has just started, she was just doing her thing. But this is not entrepreneurship, guys, right? It was in the nascent stage, crawling. थोड़ा सा एक अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला मार्केट में तो शी देन समबडी एडवाइस्ड, समबडी मेट, तू किसी को रख ले यार, तेरा काम हल्का हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द एडवाइस दैट शी टुक फ्रॉम समवन and she began to look out for somebody who can help her. Yeah. In this process, Deepika came across somebody called Radhika. And Radhika was herself a designer. She had worked somewhere and she knew everything. When Deepika was speaking to Radhika, she was very confident. Wow, I have found somebody who can really, really help me in my process, my systems, my workings, everything. So she kept Radhika कि भाई मेरा आधा हेडेक कम हो जाता है, थोड़ा बहुत बिजनेस बढ़ भी जाएगा, वर्किंग भी हो जाएगा. When Radhika stepped in, she took away most of the work from Deepika. मास्टर के पास जाना है, बात करनी है, प्रिंटिंग में जाना है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी में जाना है, डिस्पैच करना है, इन्वॉइसिंग करना है, थोड़ा बहुत अकाउंट्स देखना है, ऑपरेशंस में कुछ देखना है, एवरीथिंग. So Deepika was relieved. Wow, somebody, she is a God-sent person. She was elder to Deepika by about 10-15 years and she had that maturity. She was there and she knew all these things. She knew the trade completely. Now as they grew, now business began to grow, orders आने लगे, अच्छा होने लगा, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें streamline होने लगी and बहुत सारे टास्क दीपिका ने राधिका के ऊपर डेलीगेट कर दिए थे. This helped. This really helped her. So Deepika was actually now then started behaving from a self-employed person to something who I term as a manager. Right now, this manager was managing her work a little bit. There was this technician, a fashion designer inbuilt Deepika, who was designing this product. जो जॉब पे कर रही थी उसी चीज़ों को वो यहाँ करने गई खुद में, तो उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा बर्डन आ गया. Because apart from designing, there were so many other aspects of business which she had to do on her own. Right? Now, once she started to get into her business, she was not on top. She was not looking everything from the top, but she went inside the business. And in this entire process, she lost herself as a designer completely. क्योंकि बहुत सारा बर्डन आ गया, द बर्डन ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, जहाँ पे पैसा चुकाना है, रेंट भरना है, सैलरीज देना है, घर पे लेकर जाना है, कुछ पैसा कारीगर्स को देना है, एवरी सैटरडे हिसाब करना है, प्रिंटिंग में जाना है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी में जाना है, इन्वॉइसिंग करना है, कस्टमर के पीछे भागना है. शी हैड अ लॉट टू डू. विद वन स्किल सेट शी थॉट, ओके नाउ आई एम अ डिजाइनर and I'm designing very well. People are appreciating what I do. She started on her own and she found herself dug deep into a big hole. And वहाँ पर जाके she found somebody by the name Radhika who pulled her out, and they started to do well now, right? So from a designer's mindset, a technician's mindset, technical skill set. That is why I always say technical skills are not going to take you anywhere, guys. You need entrepreneur skills. But here she started doing something which was not related to entrepreneurship. She was behaving like a self-employed. उसको ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ा उसके बिजनेस में, because now there was nobody who could save her. उसको काम करना ही है, right? She has to prove something. बिकॉज बहुत लोगों ने बोला है तू कर सकती है, तू अच्छा कर रही है, योर डिज़ाइंस आर फैंटास्टिक, बट किसी ने उसको ऐसे नहीं बोला कि बिजनेस कैसे किया जाता है. सो राधिका कम्स्किन, नाउ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फ्रॉम द क्रॉलिंग स्टेज इट वॉज इन अ वॉकिंग स्टेट, राइट? सो राधिका ने सारी जिम्मेदारी ले ली, एंड वन डे शी रिसीव्स अ कॉल फ्रॉम अ कस्टमर एंड से दीपिका योर फिट इज़ नॉट राइट दिस टाइम, एंड लास्ट 2 बार से मैं देख रही हूँ तेरे पैकेजिंग में भी बराबर काम नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? सिंस आई एम एन ओल्ड कस्टमर आई वुड लाइक जस्ट लाइक टू गिव यू अ फीडबैक, बट आई कैनॉट कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस इफ दिस कीप्स ऑन हैपनिंग ऑल द टाइम. शी वॉज टेकन अ बैक, राइट? सुबह सुबह ऑफिस में जाके सबसे पहला काम यही. Day progresses. In the afternoon, she receives a call from someone who was supplying. She was supplying to, and she says, "Invoice में कितना प्रॉब्लम है? आप थोड़ा ध्यान रख के करो. ऐसे समझ में नहीं, 1-2 बार तो हमने रेक्टिफाई कर लिया, हर टाइम नहीं चलता है, right?" So when all these things were happening, and they were growing. In the meantime, what happened was, Radhika came in and asked Deepika that we need to keep somebody in the account section. So they employed somebody in the account section. I need some help now. Can you help me in the inventory section? Okay, किसी को रख लो अभी, कोई बात नहीं. You are doing well. She had this blind faith and trust on Radhika, and they just employed somebody else. So 2 people they kept, और ये 2 लोग थे, और एक हेल्पर रख दिया उन्होंने. तो इनकी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पे होती थी. But what happened is, customers started to complain. The bankers, कि भाई you are using an OD facility, you are right at the border, please make sure that you should not get stuck somewhere, otherwise we will have to take action. Again, बैंक से कॉल आया कि ज़्यादा पैसा जा रहा है. Immediately she went and let me see what is happening, let me talk to Radhika. Deepika just moved out from a chair and went out. In the entire process, she saw the guy who जिन्होंने इनको एम्प्लॉय किया था, he was packing something. बोलता है पागल, ऐसे पैक होता है क्या? This is not how you pack. हट, तो मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को. And she just went there and she started to do on her own. And this guy is watching. Okay, show us, madam. वो हो गया, आगे गए. Again, there was somebody in the account जो जिनको इन्होंने employ किया था. And when they were sitting there, there was some mistake right in front of Deepika, and Deepika was fuming because she had got that call. ऐसे होता है क्या invoice? Just get up, I'll show you how to make an invoice. This is not, क्योंकि किसी ने बताया नहीं है. Do you think this is the way to make an invoice? And the lady there, Radhika, was watching everything. And Deepika finished her thing, screamed, yelled everything, and दिमाग खराब था because सुबह से she got 2-3 calls from her clients, from the bankers, from the vendors, and again she went back. And Radhika, टेंशन मत लो, ये बॉसेस ऐसे ही होते हैं, आप लोग काम पे लग जाओ. This was the only statement she made, and which the owner heard. Deepika heard this thing, right? Now, when she went back and when she heard the attitude that she was throwing, that was the first time she realized, am I dealing with the wrong person here? Everything happened, this was done, and every day-to-day activities, because of the insecurity that Radhika had, because of the insecurity that Deepika had for her business and Radhika for her job, they started to hide up things. And यहाँ पे she was used to hammer her employees every day. आप हट जाओ, मैं करता हूँ. So what has happened? जो फ्रीडम इनको मिला था किसी को रखने से, ये फ्रीडम इनका चले गया because she started to get a lot of calls from the market, and जहाँ पर भी ज़रूरत पड़ी वहाँ पे इन्होंने इन्वॉल्व करना कर दिया. तो again coming back to 8, 10, 12 hours of working a day for the owner himself, right? So a fantasy for her, a goal for her to reach, जो उन्होंने सोचा था कि मैं ये करूँगा, I want to reach here, She left her job, started her own business, was really struggling with coping with things. They were doing very well as a designer, but because she did not know how to manage the show, she got in somebody again that managed the manager she got, expecting him to be a good manager. He could not manage. So one, there is a technician whom I would call a fashion designer. Second, you need a manager who can look after various things, right? वो एक quality भी बनानी पड़ेगी. And the third, when there is a maturity state that comes. Now, let me come back to the story again. One morning, Radhika calls Deepika and says that I have found another job who is paying me double the salary than what you are giving me right now, and I would like to quit. So this would be my last week. Please मेरा हिसाब कर देना and understand this as my resignation, and I would like to discontinue. She could not bear the call, the pain of the call, and she started to convince her then and there. But she could not, and Radhika quit. Deepika was again back to where she was, all on her own. She fired all the other employees. इससे तो मैं खुद करती थी वही अच्छा था. Came back to where she was, completely shattered, and now doing everything on her own. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the story of a fashion designer. And how many of you could relate to what I'm saying? If you are an entrepreneur, if you have been working like this, if you want to know how to set this up, if you want to understand how do you completely make systems, how do you make processes that people like Radhika or any other employees, they don't bother you much, since you know only one skill, which is fashion designing, and you are a fantastic designer. But let me tell you, entrepreneurship is not about what you know as a designer. There is a lot more to it. There is something called as operations. There is something called as business development. There is something called as marketing. There is something called as sales. There is something which needs a lot of communication. You need to have a fantastic team. And when you are having an organizational setup this type, I'm not saying you become very big, thousands of employees, hundreds of employees, but somewhere मैंने अभी ये लास्ट 10-15 मिनट में जो आप लोगों से बात की है, उस एरिया में आपको सोचना चाहिए. उस एरिया में आई नो हंड्रेड्स ऑफ डिज़ाइनर्स हु स्टार्ट देयर डे एंड एंड देयर डे, एंड सब जगह पर उनकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. A few days back in our inner circle program also somebody was talking about this, that if I am not there, my customers don't come to my store. If I am not there, my customers don't buy. कितना आप करोगे, कितना चलाओगे, and do you need any sort of freedom or not? Now, it all depends on the goals that you have. It all depends on the priority that you have. If you wish to learn more about all this, please get associated with us on any of the platforms. You can come to our online school. You can definitely see us on Facebook. You can get in touch with us on Instagram. We will be very happy to help you under our program. Share the knowledge, spread the light, guys. We see a lot of people from our community of fashion really struggling, and this is the story about Radhika and Deepika. Of course, the names are different, and I just use them to explain you more in detail. All the best wishes, and looking forward to helping you all, as I said, under our program. Share the knowledge, spread the light. This is Vishal Trivedi here. I am a garment business professional. I have been consulting, coaching and mentoring apparel and lifestyle business owners since past 15 to 17 years now. I am also an author in the industry. I have written a book by the name Carve Your Success, which is India's only book written for apparel and lifestyle business entrepreneurs. If you have not bought that book yet, please go to my website, or you can direct message me. I will be very happy to send you that book, a copy of that book. We run an inner circle program here in Mumbai at our office. We conduct webinars for students, for entrepreneurs, and specialize in the apparel and lifestyle industry, guys. All the best wishes, and see you soon.